gets too hungry for dinner at 8. She loves the theater and doesn't come late. She never bothers with anyone she hates. That's why the lady is a tramp. Doesn't like dice games with barons or earls. Never goes up to Harlem in a man and pearl. She won this to dirt with the rest of those girls. That's why the lady is a tramp. She loves the free, cool wind in her hair, life without care. She's broke, but it's so. Doesn't like California because it's cold and it's damp. That's why the lady, she's a tramp. Ragazzi, hey! The free, fine, fresh wind in her hair, all life without a care. She's broke, but it's so. Doesn't like California because it's cold and it's damp. That's why the lady, that's why the lady, that is why the lady is a tramp. Oh yeah! Bravo! Grazie a tutti e grazie a te Antonio, grazie. Bravi ragazzi, grazie.